Good morning to my middle school students. Today is December 14th. It is Monday. We have just this week to go until Christmas break. So let's work hard this week. We have Google Hangouts on Wednesday and Friday at 9 o'clock. You guys will be meeting Wednesday at 9 o'clock, not 10 o'clock. Miss Lydecker has a meeting to attend on Wednesday at 10, so I will not be available at 10. So everybody's going to meet at 9 again. There are 10 days left, 16 hours and 53 minutes until Christmas, you guys. I hope everyone is being good. We have our word study to do today, our word study standards connection with our definitions. You have chapter 4 to read. And the next box here is our standards connection. So we will finish up that chapter 4, preparing for the service project. So for this box here, remember you can choose this box right here, see chapter. It'll open you up a new tab and you can click back and forth between these to know the answers. So what was the title of this chapter? Well, I'm going to click back here, preparing for the service project. The capital. It should look exactly like this. Okay. If you need to pause it, pause the video to help you. For writing then, we'll do that together. There are lots of corrections that we are going to need to be making. A comma comes after the heading, so I will be putting in commas after the dear and then the from. A question mark is used at the end of questions. A period goes at the end of a sentence. The first word of a sentence and names of people and places have capital letters. All words should be spelled correctly. Look for 5 words. All right, so this is what we're looking for. 5 words that need a capital letter. So 5 words that need a capital letter, 5 places that need a comma, question mark, or a period, and then 5 words that we need to spell correctly. Okay, get my red out. So dear Betty, comma. My name is Asher. Asher is his name. It needs to be capitalized. My name is Asher, and I am writing from North Middle School, okay? North Middle School is the name of his school, so it needs to get capitalized. So this M needs to be capitalized. School is spelled wrong. It should be SCHOOL. We need a period at the end here. My name is Asher, and I'm writing from North Middle School, period. I want to wish you happy holidays, okay? Happy holidays needs to be capitalized. And happy is spelled wrong. It should be HAPP and a Y, not an I. We have in the beginning of a new sentence, so we need a capital I here. I hope this letter makes you smile. Okay, makes only has one K, so we need to take out that K. MAKES would be makes you smile. We need a period, and then we need a capital letter here. My favorite part about is spelt wrong. It should be ABOUT. ABOUT is about. My favorite part about the holidays is eating good food. We can put a period there or an exclamation point if you're excited about eating good food. What is your favorite part of the holidays? Okay, what should be WHAT? So WHAT, that's spelled wrong. What is your favorite part about the holidays? We need a question mark here because Asher is asking us a question. And then your friend, comma, Asher. All right, let's see. 5 words that need a capital letter to be capitalized. 1, Asher. 2, middle school. 3, 4, 5. I have 6. So 6 capitalized. 5 places that need a comma. So we had 1 or a period or an exclamation point or a question mark. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. There was 5. Where are you, Christmas? Okay, then we need to make sure we had 5 words that we spelled correctly. So school was spelled wrong, so that's 1. Happy was spelled wrong, 2. Makes was spelled wrong, that's 3. 4 was about, 5 was what? Okay, perfect. If you need to pause this video so you all can take the edits off of this letter here. And then our next slide was making sure we did those. And yes, I went through and I checked all of those to make sure I had capital letters, I had correct punctuation at the end of sentences, and all my words were spelled correctly. For math today, you guys have quite a bit of math boxes. Again, we're doing our coordinate planes, our X and our Y. I hope you guys had fun with this last week. I like coordinate planes. I think it's kind of fun stuff to do. So next we're learning about types of transformations. So I have added in here on our math Google Slides. I'm going to hit present here. So we're learning about the different types of transformations. When we talk about transformations, there are different types of these transformations. We have a translation, which is a slide. It's a shape that slides left, right, up, down, side, whichever on a coordinate grid. So think of like the skater here. It's showing us a good picture of understanding a translation is a slide. I always think of the SL in this word, and then an SL starts with slide. Then we have a reflection. A reflection is a complete flip. It's the shape flips over a line on a coordinate grid. So it can flip down, it can flip up, flip side to side, but it's knowing that the shape just flipped. So kind of like when we read a book and we flip our page. And then we have a rotation. A rotation is a turn. So kind of like when you do rotations in class, you go around the room. A shape turns around a point on a coordinate grid. So there it shows your flag on the mailbox, knowing that we would flip or turn that so it turns on a coordinate plane, but that one point stays where it needs to stay. So let's look at our N2Y here. Okay, so this is showing a what? If it's just, she moves it. What's happening? Did it slide? Did it flip? Or did it turn? Okay, just looking at the arrow here, I'm going to choose flip. Because the arrow is showed, the arrows are the same, okay? Okay, so if I have this shape here and I just move it to the left is what the picture shows, that would be a slide. Okay, you guys complete the rest. Make sure you're looking at the arrows and understanding whether it's a flip, a slide, or a rotation, a translation. Okay, again, scale to drawing with our understanding that what happens to a copy. So Keisha copied the holiday sticker. This is the holiday sticker. She made a copy of it and made it what? The copy got bigger. Copy is bigger. So go through these knowing what happened when something gets copied from the original copy. Did it get small or bigger, or did it stay the same? In our next math boxes, you guys are subtracting, all the way up to, I think it's 100 or 50. So you guys have the subtraction to do. You will not need my help with that. You can do that on your own. Our measure it activity. This is introducing the recipe for the holiday giving soup. So like if we were at school, we'd be making this and we'd be following this recipe. So here it's just introducing it. It's saying, here's what we're gonna need. Here's the directions for what to do. And so like I said, that box there is just introducing the recipe. There's nothing for you to do there. In our history timeline, what you're doing is you are putting the picture of what it is saying or what it is asking. So in 1881, the American Red Cross was created to provide food, water, and medicine to help people in need after a disaster. So I would say this one, a disaster happened. There you go, help people in need after disaster. So you match those pictures up with that history timeline. Your life skills application is the same as it was with practicing the money skills. So understanding what to do with the money and how much you're able to spend with a certain amount. And then for science, guys, you have genes and how we inherit traits from our parents, like what makes us look like our mom or our dad. So we inherit traits. Inherit means we get them from them, like as we're being built within mom's stomach. We have traits that are given to us based off of certain genes from our parents. So you have this father and son baseball story to read, and then you will answer these questions for science. I hope everyone had a great weekend. Again, I will see you on Wednesday at 9 and Friday at 9 for our Google Hangouts. This is our last week, guys, for Christmas break. Have a great day.